Today, we'll be taking a look at the dispenser hose on this LG front-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove this top here. Of course, it is held on by 2 Phillips screws on the back. Next, be very careful. Let's slide this sharp metal off, lift it up, and set it to the side. Now that we have the top removed, we have clear access to our dispenser hose down here. The main reason why you'd be replacing this hose is if the unit is leaking. What I would do is run it through a cycle. Your water will come into the dispenser here, go down through the hose, and into the drum. If you have a tear in it, it's going to leak down the side. Of course, that would mean that it needs to be replaced. Now, in order to replace it, we have 2 clamps on here. One down here, and then one hidden down on the bottom. They both have Phillips heads. They'll need to be loosened up. So let's get a long Phillips. For this one, I used a couple of extensions because it's way down in there. All right, and then we're gonna pull that to the side. This will give us a little bit more room for this one down here. I'm gonna get my other screwdriver, kind of go down through the bottom and loosen this one up. Once it's able to turn, you know that this will be able to be lifted off, slide it up, and set it to the side. When installing your new hose, make sure that you have put your clamps on the new hose from the old one. Then let's start with the bottom. And what we'll do is we'll push it all the way down. You can see there's an arrow on the tub indicating where this is to go. So just kind of line it up and start to slide that rubber over the plastic. Make sure all of our sides are over. Let's move this out of the way and tighten up that clamp. There we go. Then let's slide this one on. It should be lined up perfectly. You can see the arrow and of course the plastic back here where it stops. So slide the bottom on, slide that top over, push it all the way to the end. If you need to turn the clamp, you should be able to do so now. Reach inside and tighten it up. Now we can reinstall the top. When reinstalling your top panel, be very careful. We don't want to slice and dice. Let's go ahead and sit it down. You'll want about 1 inch away from the front. That's where it actually drops down. And then you can slide it forward and it should match up with the front. Let's reinstall the 2 screws on the back. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.